What's goody, SBM gang? Today I am back with another YouTube video. Today I'll be working with CurlyMe Hair collection. They sent me over a 26-inch blonde wig, straight hair, and the density on this wig is 250. The wig came with a new cap. It came with some mink lashes. I ended up giving them to my homegirl, but yes, I love the lashes that it came with. And the wig was so full. I ended up showing you guys the inside of the wig so you can kind of see the construction of it. The parting space was amazing, so you're able to do a side part, a middle part. That's been a major issue for a lot of these wig companies. They're not sending you wigs that fit the head. So I love the fact that CurlyMe sent me a wig with a lot of frontal space. So for this color, I did a two-tone pink. I got the idea from Scorpinko on Instagram. She did it on Young Miami and I fell in love with it, so I had to try it. And all I did was just water dye it with two different pinks. Now I didn't do a full new cap method for this install because I knew she wasn't going to keep it in more than 4 days. So I just decided to just put the cap on and put some makeup on it. I usually only do this when I'm doing a closure wig install, but because I knew that this wasn't going to be a long install, I just decided to use my Boho Active and just glue right on her skin. If you do not use lace remover to take off your wigs, I do not recommend you using this method. This is only for people who properly take off their wigs so that you don't have to worry about the glue ripping out your edges. But if you snatch your wigs off or if you use alcohol to take off your wigs, please don't do it like this. You might as well just do a regular new cap and try to cover up as much edges as possible. But because I use lace remover to remove wig installs, I know how to do it this way and she'll be okay. Now because this lace was transparent and not HD, I did end up using a little bit of makeup and I think even a little bit of tan lace tint from Boho to get the lace to match her skin perfectly. When you're doing bright colors, you do not want an ashy halo effect, so sometimes you do have to go in with a little makeup or even tint the lace a little bit just so that that color looks like it's coming out of her scalp. This is an important step. You want to smush your lace into your glue. Once you blow dry it and stuff, pressing it down locks the lace in. You don't want to touch your glue to the point where it's smearing, but you do want to press your lace in. That goes a long way. I didn't think it was an important step, but it's an important step. Now you guys already know that the hot comb is the most important step to me. I don't play with that part. I don't like bulky installs. I feel like if you're too lazy to hot comb your install, then just don't even wear the wig, period. You have to have a hot comb, especially when you're doing the middle part. You have to have a bust down. And the only way to have a bust down is if that part is on fleek and if your hair isn't humpy, period. Now you guys know that curling the edges, I already told you guys that it's easier to do your baby hairs when you pre-curl them. And plus, it's just like all the way right now. That's what I like to do. I like the finished product with that. So I'm probably never going to stop curling my edges before I actually do them. For my baby hairs, I'm still rocking with my bow hold lace jelly. You guys know, if you watch my YouTube videos from the beginning, this is probably my 4th product for baby hairs that I've been using, but I've been consistent with this product because it's lightweight, it doesn't cake up, and it's easy to clean off when I'm going back in for touch-ups. So I've been really rocking with the bow hold lace jelly. Now, if you've been subscribed with me since day one, then you know for a fact that I love my cheap tools. But this curling iron from EAP is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I literally curled Gabby's hair in like 7 minutes. This curling iron got so hot so fast, and I was able to wrap so much hair around that it just cut my curling time in half. It's crazy how amazing these tools are. I'm leaving all the information for this curling iron down in the description box, and I highly recommend that you guys go purchase this product because it's everything. Look at that. And her curls lasted the whole night. But I guess I gotta just show y'all better than I could tell y'all. You get the job done. Period. Yes, EAP. Do y'all see these curls? Like, pause. Do y'all see these curls? Okay. So, shout out to CurlyMe Hair for sending me this bomb 613 wig. It was so full. They didn't send me nothing thin, nothing shedding. It was a full 250 density 26-inch wig, and I lived for it, and it dyed so easily. I literally dipped this wig in a bucket of water dye, and it gave what it was supposed to give. So I love CurlyMe Hair, and I will be working with them soon because the quality is just there. Like, look at the material. Look at the material. Period. The information for the curling iron and the wig will be in my description box. Be sure to follow my model on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms, and to keep supporting my YouTube channel. We're growing by the day. Period. And let's keep growing. Bye, y'all.
to eat peaks for these beautiful curls.
Period.